I'm Dawn Silver. I'm the Director of Quality here at Polo Custom Products. We have developed and implemented a quality management system which uses ISO 9001, 2015, ISO 13485, 2016 as the framework. These standards allow our organization to document and improve our processes to better satisfy the needs and expectations of our customers and our stakeholders. In addition to these standards, Polo manufactures products for OEMs across various industries, such as medical, automotive, and aerospace. That naturally places us in an industry that requires us to comply with multiple regulations across the different industries. Companies must build quality into their products or services from a manufacturing perspective, and this means a commitment to eliminating errors at every stage, from the product development process all the way to manufacturing of the product. The way we accomplish this is through advanced product quality planning. The APQP process focuses on verifying and ensuring quality from the initial design and the development to shipment of the finished good to the customer. Quality is involved throughout all phases of the product lifecycle. We work closely with our product development and supply chain teams during product and process design. We have a dedicated individual that supports the advanced product quality planning process until product is launched into manufacturing. And then once product is launched into manufacturing, we have another dedicated quality staff that supports product quality through manufacturing and after shipment of product to the customer. Polo has various methods in which we can test product for conformity. We have specialized equipment to ensure inspection and test procedures are set up in accordance with the way product will be tested by our customers and used in the field. Various test methods that we utilize in-house are tensile testing. This type of testing is performed on all sealed products at the time of setup to verify seal integrity. Seal type, material properties, die shape, die condition, and equipment setup all contribute to the quality of the seal. We measure material thickness and weld thickness. The specimen is pulled at a constant rate until the specimen fractures or material breakage occurs. The specimen is examined after separation to determine if a peel occurred. Pressure decay testing on the Sentinel, a computerized machine with testing pressure capabilities up to 5 psi. The unit is placed between compression plates to restrict the material stretch during inflation. The unit is inflated to the established parameters and the leak rate is determined by the measurement of pressure loss over time. Air inflate with a manometer. The unit is inflated and pressure is locked at the established parameter on the manometer, which is recorded by inches of water. The leak rate is determined by the drop in pressure during a timed test period. Air inflation burst test. Unit is inflated, unrestricted, until the material breaks next to the seal or the material ruptures. Air inflate water dip, which is typically used for diagnostic testing. The unit is inflated to an established pressure, then placed in water. A leak is determined by witnessing escaping air bubbles. Visual and dimensional inspection. Product is inspected against the customer's drawings and Polo's internal quality standards. Where we do not have a testing capability in-house, we have several partnerships with external labs that we can use to test product, from raw material testing to finished good testing. At Polo, everybody belongs in the quality circle. Our quality management system is structured in such a manner to ensure that our employees are successful in meeting the objectives of the quality policy. Our entire management team is committed to ensuring that the policy is understood, implemented, and that it drives continuous improvement at all levels of our organization. We are committed to offering unmatched quality to ensure your needs and expectations are met.